What up, A gang? So we're gonna start off with a nude or brown cap, and you're just gonna place some I G2B gel on the edge of the cap. Now I'm not cutting this cap, I'm not securing it down. This is gonna be like the fastest wig application that you can get, honestly. Like, this is gonna be some fast shit and it's gonna be secure. Okay, so you want to make sure, I don't know why I use that much gel. Do not use this much, but just make sure you have enough. We're going in with the I G2B spray, and we're just going to spread that out. Now remember, this is a quick install. Blow dry the hair on cool only. Make sure you keep blow drying on cool, just to make sure that the glue dries clear and not gray or white. Now you'll see that mine was drying gray or white because I used too much I G2B gel. This is what I mean by don't use too much, because girl, I was in a rush and I was trying to get this video out for y'all, so I just used too much. So now we're going in and we're gonna place our wig on. For us to place our wig, make sure you line your wig up to where you want it to be. Don't just go and slap it on and just think you could do whatever, because no, that's not how it works. So now I'm going in and I'm lining everything up. Here's a closer view. Now this is a used wig that I already made, and I'm gonna gently place that at the edge of where I put the I G2B. Just gently. You don't want to be rough, you don't want to force it down. Everything I'm doing is light, because when you start pressing through, it'll seep through the lace, and you do not want that. Now find you a comb. I'm going to go in with my comb, and I'm just going to press the edge lightly into the I G2B gel. Press it lightly because it's not dry yet, so you can do everything with just light touch. Do not be rough with this, girl, because this is your head. Gorilla Snot to blend the lace in more. I don't know why, but it has a way of blending the lace in. Now this next step I'm gonna do after the Gorilla Snot, I'm gonna spray the lace. That's for extra security, because girl, I'm going out and I have no time for any lift. You don't have to do this step, but remember, when you do this, you just want to lightly spray it over, then blow dry it on cool air, and then that's it. Now you can do this look without baby hair. Like, it looks good without it. The glue is still drying though, but it looks good without it. But I need baby hair, so now I'm gonna go in and just shape me a little baby hairs, like, you know, make it look a little poppin'. I'm putting the baby hairs in. I will have a video on how to do your baby hairs. You can see that it's a little shiny. That means that the glue is not dry. mold the hair and to shape it into what I want it to be, just to give it a sleek appearance and flat as possible. Now if you use the right mousse, you will have no lift and you will have a seamless application. You want to use the mousse and you want to go over it and shape your baby hairs, shape the hair that you want it, and then you want to go ahead and place a Before I go under the dryer, I always style my hair first. So whatever you're curling, you're flat ironing, you want to do it first before you go under the dryer, and then it'll set everything into place. You'll have a flat as install. That's it. Like, this is all about flatness and everything looking realistic. But to look realistic, you need to take this time and do this, and this is the fastest way you can get this realistic as installed. Cut that wrap off, girl. It's time to let that go. So now you see when I cut it off, it's still shiny, but we're gonna go with an alcohol pad. I'm just gonna rub over that, and then you can place makeup if you want on top of it, but it should be fine. Remember, this came from me putting too much glue or I G2B gel, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna take the hot comb, blow that thing, because I already burnt myself. You're gonna see, but blow it, and this will help make the hair lay flat. When I tell you, when I burnt myself, it was not okay. Like, ooh, look, watching it now, it's not okay. It's really not. But the hot comb helps with everything. You need a hot comb. Get a hot comb, girl. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys love it, because girl, I was feeling myself this blue hair, and so was everyone else. I will make another video on me achieving this color hair. It was way more vibrant. I've had this wig for a while now. It's pretty vibrant in person. I don't know why my camera is showing its tone, but I hope you guys like it. Comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll leave details in the description below.